What we doing right now, man? Come on, man. We're going live. We're going live right now, man. I gotta talk to the people, man. I've been waiting all day, man. Been waiting on y'all all day, man. I should throw the smeds on, bro. It's one of them type of moves. Throw the smedgies on. One of them nights, man. Come on, man. Put your glass up, man. Y'all like that Dodger? Favorite song of the album. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Hearing them gunshots over a Kanye West track is hit harder, bro. I don't care what y'all say. We gonna go. And I beat it up in Nemes. Let's go, man. We about to get it in. I promise you. Y'all gonna want to hear this one. Y'all gonna be mad when I show y'all. Y'all gonna be so happy to be mad. I promise you. Reshare this, man. It's lit. It's lit. Sorry, I'm not talking to you. And it's crazy that my voice activated it. Let's get into it, man. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. This song is called Keep My Spirit Alive, man. Got Kanye West and my man Westside Gunning them on there. Y'all know. People that pop through here just like want to see me on her flexing or something. They want to see the car outside or something. I ain't here for that. I'm here to make sure y'all get that car outside or something. It's different, man. It hit different. I'm about to get it in. Alright, that's cool. Without further ado, it's your boy Dash Resource, aka Peanut. We're here for Sales Stocks, Not Dope, here every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. I was on time today. I don't want y'all holding that against me. I was on time today. Y'all the one late. It's only 4 of y'all watching, so 4 of y'all need to share this, please. Respectfully. We are sponsored by T-Shirt Kings, respectfully. Let's get into my picks from this last week, because, you know, a lot of times I don't get a chance to run down how great my picks are, because a lot of y'all, Pixar, that's a bar, y'all don't be watching my picks every day. I be getting 100 views on here, but when I go see my views on my picks, it be like 14, 15. It's cool. Y'all don't want no money? Well, let me tell y'all the money y'all missed last week, goddamn. So let's get into it. All right. So, let's go into one of my picks from last week, which let's start at the last one. Let's start at optical. We're going to do that one. We're going to do, boom. All right. So, no. Yeah, we're going to start optical cable. So, this is within the last day, right? Clearly, we on Sunday, so this was Friday. This stock is where you should have been at. You want to buy it around this portion of when I told you to buy the stock, because the stock has been doing good for a whole year, right? It's literally working its way up. Let me show y'all exactly what that looks like. So let's go to, all right, look. Who lied to you? Who lied to you this week? Not me. I'm about to show y'all every pick that you could have picked this week would have been money. Every pick that I gave you this week would have been money. All right. These are my 5 picks from this week. The one that got 14 views on there. 14 of y'all made money this week. All right. So OCC, that is up. Okay. Not to pat myself on the back or nothing, but wish I had another hand or something. Not as fun. All right. So let's go to the next one, right? So let's go to my other pick from this week, because I don't ever do this. I be thinking people that like watch my picks know that my picks are GOAT. Like, shout out to my man, Suber, man, Aaron Suber, bro. He told me Bro, every pick that I gave him, he made money off of. We got people that inbox me saying, my first time making a pick was based off a pick you made 6 weeks ago. And that still was fire. So let's get to this one. So let's go to DSWL, my pick from this week. What we looking like? We a little down, like we negative -1. Is that bad? But that's for like the day. When I told you to take this pick, it was lower than that. I told you around this area. Right? So you would have made money on this pick if I told, like, all right, let's do another one. Look, because somebody said I don't get cocky enough when I make good picks. I'm more or less like, take my victories and I walk away silently. Now let's talk about this money. All right. If you would have invested in this, you would have made easy money off this. Let's go to another one. Because I've been too quiet about my victories. All right, let's go to UMC, which is another one from this past week. What are we looking at? Thank you, Aaron Suber. I need to let people know that my picks are up. This is a pick that I told you again this same week. This same week. I ain't even looked at the comments yet. Please make sure I see a lot of face palms or something like that in there. Right? This is the picks I give out every week. Every day I give out a pick like this. Let's go to another one. It ain't cap. Go look it up. It's documented. Look at my pick from this week as well. Are y'all going to start watching my picks from now on? This is a real estate company. Real estate market been jumping. Oh, we got another one. We're not done. 5 picks. Let's go to another one. PSEC. What? I promise y'all, I won't make a group and not post this ever again. I've been giving these picks out for free. And people making money off of it. How many of y'all are like mad at yourself right now? Knowing I gave you a pick here, where this X is at, I gave you the pick. It dropped. Boom. And then now it's up. And it's like, who am I doing this for? A lot of y'all don't want to make no money. A lot of y'all want to be cool with y'all circumstances. Like, this is what my man B. Allen told me. B. Allen told me, bro, like, you trying to teach people who don't want to learn nothing. And I don't feel that way. I ain't trying to give up on none of y'all. But I really do feel like I be doing this for no reason sometimes. Like, I really feel like I be putting in all this work for people to fall on deaf ears. And it's really disheartening when I go look and see that, like, y'all ain't re-sharing. Some of y'all are. Some of y'all are making money off this, so I'm not saying all y'all. But at the end of the day, like, should I just make this money by myself and don't tell nobody? Like, as serious as a heart attack. Like, I really be trying to, like, put y'all on game. And it seemed like some of y'all just ain't trying to do that. So let's get into some other things because, it's so easy to become that person that becomes so mad at the world. But I'm not. Feel me? I just feel like a lot of y'all could learn a lot just from just watching the plays that I do. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, let's go ahead and go to something else dear to our hearts, right? So let's go to our favorite segment, which is Karma Coin, which is going to make you guys happy. So let's go to Karma Coin, right? So now we're looking at Karma Coin. Remember that V. Let's go over to it. This V is when the news publication came out, right? So you saw some price action. People who've been waiting to sell it forever. So not for a profit, because obviously they had to buy it up here, or somebody who started before that, they also, it's all good. Because every time they sell, pardon me, to my Karma Coin family, do not get mad when you see a drop, right? Karma Coin's tokenomics states that when something is sold, it's redistributed. And a lot of those coins are burnt off. So don't be so mad when you see somebody sell. When you see these sell off, it's good for us, right? So you see it rise some more. It drops. It rises some more. It drops. One thing you like about this is it's creating stair steps, right? Elevator up, me elevator down, right? So stair step, stair step. Now we kind of taking a dip here, right? This is good opportunity for anyone who wants to buy, because if you know the long run, like if you know the long journey ahead, that's really what you banking on. Not to mention the tokenomics states a lot of these coins are gonna be burnt off. So while they're selling, you are making money with this. So let's say you bought when it was less than a fraction of a cent. You are going to make more money off someone selling it now than you would have off it making a tremendous jump. What does that mean? Basically, what it's saying is that when someone else sells, it's redistributed. Look it up. It's in the white papers. What is the white papers? That is where they say how the coin is going to operate when things are sold, when things are bought. I'm about to say bought. When things are bought. Look into the white papers. If you are so nervous about this, then you can either wait, sell for a loss. That's not my strategy. Okay. You're supposed to make money on this Karma coin, okay? We're here to make money, and we're here to you know what I'm saying, like support a good cause. So at the end of the day, it's down, but at the end of the day, we still got room to grow, okay? This is minuscule, like compared to what we offer, okay? This is where we can help get this ranked up. We need to be promoting the crypto to make it, you know what I'm saying, like more popular. The more this raises, okay, because I remember last time we checked, it was way higher than this. So we're doing way better than what you guys expect. Don't let this scare you. This is what you should be thinking is promising, because it's so hard to get listed on here. So keep doing your votes. Keep doing stuff like that. So, yeah, let's do a check-in. I promise. I better not have no inboxes right now, because, Lord, no, every time I try to do this, it be some inboxes on there. People be screenshot and send it to everybody. All right, cool. So let's go to thank God nobody inboxed me. Nobody inbox me nothing weird right now while we're doing this, because Lord knows y'all will be semi-famous by doing it. So let's see what's popping in the group. See that? All right. So we got Stacy Lopez. Attention, don't freak out. Karma coin market cap is showing an incorrect price for Karma, which is connected to Trust Wallet, which is a good news. We are connected to Trust Wallet. That is something that will benefit the whole, because the easier it is to buy Karma coin, the easier it is to sell Karma coin, which means people will be more prospective to buy it if they know they have an exit strategy. So, boom, that is why it shows 50% less. And your balance is down. Please see PooCoin, which I'm not a fan of, or PancakeSwap to see the value of your coin. You also can use CoinMarketPro. CoinMarketCap is like one of my favorite places to go. Nothing had changed. No big sales have been made. Nothing drastic is happening. This is a glitch. Please keep this. Bump up the post. Blah, 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 blah. Right? So, you know, like this is love right here. So let's keep it moving, right? So let's keep moving what's going on. So it's a great group to be a part of. You guys not a part of that, you guys can inbox me to get set up easily. As you guys see, I got 4 inboxes. Please do not take none. Don't pay attention to nothing in the background, all right? So how to buy a Karma coin, right? So people always ask me that. Let's watch one video right now as a family, all right? All right, so let's watch as a family. Okay, that's not a good representation of how to buy it, but we're gonna do it one more time. All right, so this is, all right, pause. So how to buy a Karma coin is, one, you get a wallet through Trust Wallet or MetaMask. I prefer Trust Wallet. You'll buy Binance Smart Chain, which is BNB. Okay, so you'll go to PancakeSwap.finance and connect the wallet. So you go for connect the wallet to Wallet Connect to choose the wallet. It's really that simple. Sounds like a lot, but I promise you there's videos to show it. Enter Karma or this contract address. Clearly I'm not about to say that, but you can join the group in order to get added to this, and you can literally copy and paste this in there. Set the amount and place .00 after Karma coin. So that means don't put the cent on there. then Karma Coin total, and then the slip percentage should be at 1%, and then you'll swap. It's really that simple. They're working on ways of making it easier, but at the end of the day, man, you guys should really get in Karma Coin, man. It's super dope. You guys ain't missing nothing besides some money. But let's see what's else in the group. All right, so we still in here showing love. So they're trying to get website. If you guys in there, shout out to them. My Karma Coin balance is $69.40. Nobody buy or sell. $69,420. That was the joke, guys. It wasn't the fact that he lost any money. So yeah, it's a real fun group. So they're still doing this where they're giving out $100 gift cards to some members in a group. You ain't got to do nothing besides be a member of the group. It's super dope. Let's see what else we got. So basically we have the Aston Martin coming up soon. I think the Aston Martin coming up. So getting the drawing. It's coming up. You know what I'm saying? We got the meme and everything. You know what I'm saying? It's dope. So at the end of the day, make sure you guys are getting to the Karma Coin Army. It is super dope. It's a dope experience to be a part of. This started right here in Yellow Springs, Ohio. Be magical, man. Look, these are people receiving their gift cards. What place are you investing in where you can invest $1 and get a $100 gift card? So it's a dope community to be a part of. Not to mention everybody's giving back to the community. And it's a dope community to be a part of. So if you guys want to get added to the group, make sure you guys DM me. And I got y'all. What we got right here?
Goals. We can do this. We must do this. We are winners. Winners are not quitters. Quitters never win. Let's go. Take this to the moon. Now. Break records. Adios.
So with that being said, y'all, it's Karma Coin. Be magical, man. Thank y'all for everybody who watches my picks every day. Because as you see, I was 5 for 5 this week. And I probably should do this more often. Because I'll probably go 5 for 5 all the time, right? Because I have a sound business strategy and model, right? I literally use a 1-year marker to pick a stock that's been doing good for a whole year. I use that to base off of its catalyst and how to make money off of it. Catalyst basically is a good news cycle. Shout out to my man, Gifted Trey. He didn't want to show me about that. Listen, it's so easy to make money in this market. You just got to get in it. So if you are scared about getting your feet wet, you can also buy my book on Amazon for. You can buy my book for free on Amazon. Buy my book for free on Amazon. Nah, but man, listen, yo, it's your boy Dash Resource, man. We here every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. We are sponsored by T-Shirt Kings, man. Welcome to the cool table, baby. It's lit. Any questions before I leave up out of here? How do I go back to my questions? All right, it's lit. Let's do this. Excuse me. So what, man? I'm still working on it. All right, I get better at it. What we doing here? All right, let's go back. See if I can get my. All right, it's lit. Welcome to the cool table, man.